Hey beautifuls, hola salute y'all, welcome back to my channel again. In case you know me, hey there, hi there, yo, until better, simply better. So today, as you can see by the video title, it's a twist. We're going for a twist today. As you can see right now, I'm just having my towel on my hair because I did a wash and go on my hair, but I didn't show you, sorry. So we're just gonna remove this towel off my hair and it'll shrink. I just don't like it, but how we gonna do them? Should we start now or no? Let's just get right to the video. What are we waiting for? We're gonna tie it. We're gonna tie the 2 broad pieces into 4 actually. That's the first, not really the first, but 2 in 1 tied. We're gonna part here. Look, it's really hard parting when in the middle and not the front. Look what I'm doing. That's a heavy pattern. That's a heavy pattern. Really? I don't know what I was doing anyway. Alright, I'm just using my finger now. The comb is not doing anything. Really? It's just messing things up. So I recommend you use your hand. I was tired at this moment. I recommend you use your fingers to do some parting and then later on maybe use comb, because it's really hard using comb. I'm trying to guess. I was just trying to guess where the line is going. I don't know how the pattern was gonna look like anyway. So I was just parting, using my imagination to do it. That's a clear pattern. Okay. That's okay. Let's just use that. We're gonna tie the back puff and the front puff too. We're gonna do same for here, but we're gonna work on a puff. Right, I got my line. We're gonna tie it so it doesn't miss the front one that we're gonna work on. That's a cute line, that's a cute parting, that's neat. Water, we're gonna spray water on it so to get the moisture, and we're gonna add oil too to get it moisturized. It's 2:05. I was just trying to time myself when I'm gonna finish, and let's see the end result anyway. I was suffering here. Why should I suffer when parting? Parting too is cool. I was suffering. No, me suffering. Okay, that's a cute line. That's a cute parting. We're using comb too. Okay, I'm using my finger now because I'm just tired of the comb. I got a good line anyway. This is my favorite part. I love styles. If you see me without this, it's not me, but me. It's not me. With this, it's me. So just braid, plait, twist. And we get a kind of like a unicorn baby style. I love it. And boom, we got it right, innit? We're gonna start the main thingy. So how to braid. Put hair into 3 pieces, 3 holdable pieces. The right strand goes underneath the middle becoming the right actually, and then the left goes underneath the middle, Little becoming the left and so on and so on. Twist, 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 plait, 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 braid, braid, braid. Comb the tip so I can make the braid longer without knots. So I'm still braiding. I make the ends twist so I can unravel easily. It's really tough combing long natural hair. I was suffering here. I was really suffering. Combing it was so tough. Oh my gosh. We finally passed through. Neatly done. Doing the same for the back left, the back right, and the front. Was too exhausted, I nearly gave up. Wow, that's so long. Last puff left. Last braid. Finally done with the 3-stranded braids. Checking time. It's 3:10. Ooh, how pretty my hair is looking. Not bad. So it literally takes less than because I took little breaks in it. So I'm gonna tie it and see. Stubborn hair. Tie it. Oh my gosh, look at it, beauty goddess. Ooh, so pretty. Make sure to try it out. Thank y'all for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button and subscribe.
Butterfly, don't fly away. Crazy trap, how could I say? Please stay, please stay. Butterfly, what a fire away. Just that I started.